are you flicking it? Well, why would you flick it? You're like, yeah, let's go. We're gonna get sparks.
What does that do? What is that? What is that? What is that?
Oh, mommy.
What? Bro, that is the sun.
That's the sun.
Ah.
There's a rainbow around
Yo, as soon as that was lit, we all just immediately recoiled. Just it's bright. But still, that is bright. Very, very bright.
Sun. That's the sun.
Yeah, straight up the sun.
The sun. Oh, there's more down there, bro.
Oh, but we're not close enough, so I'm not gonna record that.
There's more down there. There's more down there. And there's one right there. And there's one right there.
Oh, why? Why are these ones so bright? Oh, those ones didn't explode. They just light up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sorry. Oh, I could have paused it. Why? Alright, there were just some cars coming by.
Is there more?
Yeah, there are. There are very much more.
Whoa. Okay, can we get a fire right that lights in the air? Yeah, can we do a fire right that?
Yeah, we really need to see Moors that explode. I just said Moors. More! Gosh! Bro, why are the ones on the ground always so bright?
Is there some that goes that's close to Is there more?
Dang it.